Hey, welcome to Jotform. Today we'll be showing you how to pre-populate your forms with our brand new feature, Jotform Prefill. So to get started, open your form in Jotform Form Builder and go to the Publish tab. When you click on the Prefill tab, you'll see 6 different ways to prefill your forms. To prefill them by hand, select Manual Prefill and create a prefilled URL by entering information directly into the form. Once you hit Create, your prefilled form will be ready to share. Decide whether you'd like your form to be editable or read-only, then send the invitation by entering an email address and include a message if you'd like. Now, when a user receives your prefilled form, they'll just have to open the email and hit View Form. Your prefilled form will then appear with some fields already filled out, ready to be quickly completed from any device. To view form responses, go to Jotform Tables and click on a submission to view its data. It's that easy. Subscribe to our YouTube channel below for more Jotform tips and tutorials.